Now continue the examples in the exercise 6.2. Here the question number 1, obtain the differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary constant. The 5 examples are done in a last lecture. Now the example number 6. Okay, here example number 6, the equation it is y minus a square is equal to 4 into x minus b. Okay, now here the given equation y minus a square is equal to 4 into x minus b. Okay, it is a given equation. Now there are the two arbitrary constants a and b, so we differentiate two times. First we write this equation as y minus a square is equal to 4x minus 4b. We multiply by 4. Therefore differentiate with respect to x. The derivative of y minus a whole square, it is 2 y minus a. Here we use the formula for the x square. Derivative of the x square with respect to x, it is a 2x, but here x replaced by the y minus a. So we differentiate again y minus a, and it is a dy by dx. And then it is a derivative of 4x, it is a 4, and derivative of 4b, it is a 0, so we cannot write. Okay, it is a 4x, it is a 4. Okay, and derivative of this, it is a 0. Now it is a 2, we can write y minus a dy by dx. Y minus a dy by dx is equal to 2. Okay, now again differentiate. With respect to x, here y minus a into dy by dx, that means here u into v. First as it is, y minus a into derivative of the second plus dy by dx as it is into derivative of y minus a, and derivative of y minus a again it is a dy by dx, and is equal to 0. Okay, see carefully this. Now it is a 2 times differentiate. There are two arbitrary constants a and b. Here we differentiate 2 times, but here after the second differentiation there is a y minus a. The constant y minus a is present here. We eliminate this constant. So here the first differentiation, it is equation number 1. Okay, by 1 we put the value of y minus a. The value of y minus a, it is 2 upon dy by dx. Here dy by dx here. Okay, therefore see carefully this, y minus a replaced by 2 upon dy by dx into d2i by dx2 and plus dy by dx square is equal to 0. It is dy by dx square. Here by equation number 1. Here by equation number 1, dy by dx is equal to, sorry, it is y minus a is equal to 2 upon dy by dx. It is 2 upon dy by dx. Now here it is a dy by dx. We multiply throughout by dy by dx. Therefore we get, it is a 2 d2i by dx2 plus dy by dx cube is equal to 0. We multiply by dy by dx. When we here multiply dy by dx get cancelled. Only 2 d2i by dx2 plus here we multiply dy by dx. We get dy by dx square, and this dy by dx, it is dy by dx cube, and it is our required differential equation. Is required differential equation. Okay, 2 d2i by dx2 plus dy by dx cube equal to 0. Now the second example. the example number 7. Y is equal to a plus a by x. Here the given equation, y is equal to a plus a by x. It is equation number 1. Now here there is only one arbitrary constant, that is a. It is a arbitrary constant. So differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate only one times. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y, it is a dy by dx, is equal to a, it is a 0. And here a as it is, and derivative of 1 by x, it is minus 1 by x square. Therefore here it is a plus a into minus 1 by x square. See carefully, it is a. Okay, that is, we can write minus a upon x square. Dy by dx is equal to minus a upon x square, and therefore the value of a, it is minus x square dy by dx is equal to a. Minus, and it is x square, we can write here minus x square dy by dx equal to a. Here it is a value of the arbitrary constant. Put this arbitrary constant in equation number 1. Therefore put in 1 and then calculate. Y is equal to minus x square dy by dx plus minus x square dy by dx upon x. Here only a replaced by this minus x square dy by dx. Now this x get cancelled. Therefore y is equal to minus x square dy by dx minus x dy by dx. Here it is our required differential equation, but here we can write in the form of x square dy by dx plus x dy by dx and plus here it is a y is equal to 0, and this also can written as x square plus x dy by dx plus y is equal to 0 is our required differential equation. Okay. X square plus x dy by dx plus y. Here y is equal to a plus a by x. Put the value of a in this equation. Okay. Here x get cancelled, we get x dy by dx, and then both dy by terms of dy by dx we can write in the LHS. So it is a plus, and take dy by dx common. It is our required differential equation. Now the next, example number 8. Y is equal to c1 e raised to 2x plus c2 e raised to 5x. Okay, here this example is the same as the example number 5, okay, which are given in a last lecture. Okay, but in this example, in the last lecture's example, here c1 e raised to 2x and plus c2 e raised to 5x, there are the powers are the same, but one is positive and one is negative. Here it is a 5x and here it is a minus 5x. So in this it is a c1 and c2 are the two arbitrary constant, and here e to the power 2x and here it is a e to the power 5x. Here we differentiate two times because the arbitrary constants are the two arbitrary constants c1 and c2. But here the powers of the e raised to power of the e, okay, power of the e are the different. So if we differentiate two times, then we cannot take common as a last lecture's example. Last lecture's example, here it is a 5x and here it is a minus 5x. So we differentiate two times, then the derivative of here 5x, it is a 5 here in the example in the last lecture, here e to the power 5x and plus b into e to the power minus 5x. We differentiate, we get a into e to the power 5x into 5 and minus b into e to the power minus 5x into 5. Okay, here derivative of minus 5x, it is a minus 5, it is minus 5. Here it is a 5, 5. Again differentiate, then we get here 25, 25. Then we take 25 common, but here one is a 2 and one is a 5. So when we differentiate two times, one is a 4 and another is a 25. So we cannot take common and we cannot write in the form of the y. Okay, so to remove the arbitrary constant, we take the separate arbitrary constant. Here arbitrary constant into function, so arbitrary constant as it is and derivative of the function. But if the arbitrary constant alone and we differentiate, then the arbitrary constant eliminate, that is the derivative of the arbitrary constant, it is a 0. Here arbitrary constant into function, so arbitrary constant as it is and derivative of the function. But if the arbitrary constant is alone, then its derivative is 0 and that means it is eliminated. So first divide this equation by e raised to 5x, then the arbitrary constant c2 is alone and we differentiate, c2 eliminate, or we divide e to the power 2x by this equation, then c1 is alone and when differentiate c1 is cancelled and the another arbitrary constant remove, same procedure apply here. Okay, now here we divide by, it is e to the power 5x. Okay, then when we divide e to the power 5x, here we get e to the power minus 5x into y is equal to, here we divide e to the power 5x, that means here c1 into e to the power minus 3x, e to the power 5x upon e to the power 5x, e to the power 2x upon e to the power 5x, we get this, and here it is a plus c2, e to the power 5x upon e to the power 5x get cancelled. Here c2 is alone, now we differentiate and then c2 will be cancelled. Here differentiate with respect to x. Here u into v, first as it is, into derivative of second, plus second as it is into derivative of first, that is e to the power minus 5x into minus 5, okay, is equal to c1 into e to the power minus 3x into minus 3 and plus 0, it is a c2 get cancelled. Okay, now here e to the power 5x, e to the power 5x we take common, e to the power minus 5x, then remaining as dy by dx minus 5y, okay, is equal to minus 3c1 into e to the power minus 3x. Now here we differentiate only once. Now again differentiate, because there are the two arbitrary constants. Again differentiate, here it is arbitrary constant c1, apply same process. Here it is e to the power 5x, we divide by e to the power 5x, then c2 is alone. Here we divide by e to the power 3x, then c1 is alone. Now first divide by e to the power minus 3x. When we divide by e to the power minus 3x, here we get e to the power minus 2x, e to the power minus 5x upon e to the power minus 3x, e to the power minus 2x, it is as it is equal to here minus 3c1, e to the divided by e to the power minus 3x. Now this c1, it is arbitrary constant, the RHS is completely constant. When we differentiate, it will be 0. Now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Again u into v. First function as it is, derivative of this second function, d2i by dx2 minus 5 dy by dx plus second as it is, dy by dx minus 5y and is equal, sorry, into derivative of the first function. First function it is e to the power minus 2x into minus 2 and is equal to 0. Derivative of minus 3c1, it is 0. Now, in this equation, the arbitrary constants are eliminated. Now, we simplify this. First here, e to the power 2x, e to the power 2x get common. Remaining terms are d2i by dx2 minus 5 dy by dx, e to the power minus 2x, e to the power minus 2x common. We can write this as it is. But here it is a minus 2 and in this term minus 2 dy by dx plus 10y is equal to 0. Then e to the power minus 2x we take in the RHS will be 0. Minus 7 dy by dx and plus 10y is equal to 0 is our required differential equation. Yeah, see carefully. If the two numbers are the same, one is positive and one is negative, then simple differentiate two times. Okay, when here it is a 2x and here it is a minus 2x, then simply differentiate two times and we get a number common. It is a 2 and again here it is a 2, then we take common 4. If here 5 we take common 25, but here the numbers are different, then this method apply. Okay. Now the next example. Example number 9. C1x cube plus C2y square is equal to 5. Again this example is same as the example number 2 in this question, that is exercise 6.1, question number 1 and example number 2, and this example 9 are the same. Okay. Here the example number 2 we have already done in our last lecture. Same process here. There are the two arbitrary constants c1 and c2. The given equation, here it is a c1x cube plus c2y square is equal to 5. Then differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Here it is a c1 into 3x square plus c2 into 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. Okay. Here this can be written, it is a 3c1x square plus 2c2y dy by dx is equal to 0. Okay. See carefully this. Now again differentiate. Differentiate with respect to x. Here 3c1 into 2x, derivative of x square it is a 2x plus 2c2 into derivative of y into dy by dx, again u into v. First as it is, derivative of the second plus second as it is, derivative of the first is equal to 0. Here again differentiate the derivative 3c1 as it is, derivative of x square it is 2x, 2c2 as it is, and here derivative of y into dy by dx, here again we use the u into v. Here u into v, first as it is, derivative of second plus second as it is, derivative of first. Now again here there are the two arbitrary constants are present, it is c1 and c2. So find the value of c1 or c2 in this first derivative, that is equation number 1. Here we find the value of c1 from this and put in this. Okay. Therefore by equation 1, see carefully, by equation 1 3c1x square is equal to minus 2c1y dy by dx. Therefore c1 or 3c1, okay, here it is a 3c1, so we find the value of 3c1. Here 3c1 is equal to minus 2c1y upon x square dy by dx. This value put in this equation number 2. Okay, it is the first derivative, it is equation number 1. The second derivative, it is equation number 2. Okay, then put the value of 3c1 in equation number 2. Put into, we get it is a 3c1 is this, it is a 3c1 minus 2c1y upon x square dy by dx. Here 3c1 and it is 2x into 2x plus 2c1 into y d2y by dx2 plus it is y d2y by dx and it is dy by dx dy by dx square is equal to 0. Okay. Now again here it is a 2c1 and here it is a 2c1 to take common. Then we can take common 2c1, sorry, it is 2c1. Here it is a c2. Here it is c2. Okay, here c1 is equal to 2c2. It is 3c1 x square. This term here. Take 2c2, take common. Then we get 2c2 common. Here y and it is a 2x. Therefore 2xy upon x square dy by dx plus y d2y by dx and plus dy by dx square is equal to 0. Now this 2c2 you can take the RHS and get 0. It is x get cancelled. Therefore here it is 2y by x dy by dx plus y d2y by dx2 and plus dy by dx whole square. Same calculation as our example, second example in the last lecture. Now here throughout multiplying by x, so we can write this term d2y by dx2 in the front. First term it is x y d2y by dx2. Here this term throughout multiplying by x plus 2y dy by dx and plus x into is required differential equation. Okay, see carefully this. There are the two arbitrary constants. We differentiate two times. It is equation number 1, it is the first derivative, and equation number 2, it is the second derivative. And then for removing the arbitrary constant, it is a calculation of this. Okay, see carefully. Now we see the last example in the question number 1. Example number 10, y is equal to e to the power minus 2x into a into cos x plus b into sin x. Okay. Again this example is the same as our example number 3. Okay, in the example number 3 there is a into cos of log x and plus b into sin of log x, like that. Here only the cos x and sin x. When we differentiate two times we get again sin x. When we differentiate two times we get again cos x. That means this term, but here in the multiple there is a e raised to minus 2x. Okay, here see carefully this, our given equation it is y is equal to e to the power minus 2x into a into cos x plus b into sin x. Okay, now first we take this e raised to minus 2x in the LHS. So here it is a e raised to 2x into y is equal to a into cos x plus b into sin x. And now we differentiate this equation twice because there are the two arbitrary constant. Okay, here it is equation number 1. E raised to 2x as it is into derivative of the y plus y as it is into e raised to derivative of the e raised to 2x. First as it is derivative of second, then second as it is derivative of first is equal to here a into cos x, derivative of a into cos x minus a sin x, because derivative of cos x it is a minus sin x, and plus b into cos x. Now again here take e raised to 2x common, we get dy by dx plus 2y is equal to minus a sin x plus b cos x, and then again differentiate with respect to x. It is first function and it is second function. First as it is into derivative of second plus 2 dy by dx, then second as it is into derivative of first, that is e raised to 2x into 2. Here it is only the LHS. Now the derivative of RHS, it is minus a derivative of sin x, it is cos x, that is minus a cos x. Then b as it is derivative of cos x, it is minus sin x, so here we take minus. Now here we take e raised to 2x, e raised to 2x common, we can write here. When e raised to 2x take common, we get d2y by dx2 plus 2 dy by dx, this term, and here in this term e raised to 2x take common, it is a 2 into this term plus 2 dy by dx plus 4y is equal to minus a cos x minus b sin x. We take minus common. Okay. Then we get a cos x plus b sin x, and it is a cos x plus b sin x is this. Therefore we can directly write minus e raised to 2x y here by equation number 1, this minus e raised to 2x into y. Okay. And now this e raised to 2x, this e raised to 2x get cancelled, we get d2y by dx2 plus 4 dy by dx plus 4y is equal to minus y, this minus y. And now last step, d2y by dx2 plus 4 dy by dx and plus 5y is equal to 0 is required differential equation. Okay, see here, this will be complete our first example in the exercise 6.2. Okay, remaining examples we give in the next lecture.